Hello everyone, welcome to our channel where we explore the potent health benefits of natural remedies. Today, we're diving into the world of turmeric, a golden spice that has been a cornerstone of traditional medicine for thousands of years. We'll be sharing incredible real-life testimonials from individuals who have experienced significant health improvements by incorporating turmeric into their daily routines. What is turmeric? Turmeric is a bright yellow spice, often called the golden spice or Indian saffron. It's derived from the root of the curcuma longa plant and is a key ingredient in many Asian dishes, imparting a rich, earthy flavor and vibrant color. Beyond its culinary uses, turmeric is renowned for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, primarily due to its active compound, curcumin. Turmeric's benefits are vast and varied. 1. Anti-inflammatory, helps reduce inflammation, beneficial for conditions like arthritis and metabolic syndrome. 2. Antioxidant, protects your body from free radicals, potentially slowing down the aging process and lowering the risk of many diseases. 3. Improves brain function. Curcumin can boost levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, potentially reducing the risk of brain diseases and improving memory. 4. Lowers risk of heart disease. Improves the function of the endothelium, which is the lining of your blood vessels, leading to better heart health. 5. Cancer prevention. Studies suggest that it can reduce the growth of cancerous cells and inhibit the growth of tumors. Real-life testimonials. 1. Aging with vitality. An 84-year-old shares how daily intake of 1,000 units of turmeric has not only alleviated arthritis pain, but also improved mood and overall health. 2. From chronic pain to active living, several individuals report that incorporating turmeric into their diet has led to a significant reduction in joint and muscle pain, enhancing their mobility and quality of life. 3. Mental health improvements. Many users have noticed an uplift in their mental health, attributing it to the regular consumption of turmeric. 4. Cancer and chronic conditions. Some have started using turmeric post-cancer diagnosis, with reports of it helping in reducing the proliferation of cancer cells, according to studies they've read. 5. Digestive and cardiovascular health. Users also report improvements in digestion and heart health, with some even noticing better skin and less inflammation. How to use turmeric. Turmeric can be included in your diet in various ways. 1. As a spice in cooking, add it to curries, rice, vegetables, and soups. 2. Turmeric tea or golden milk, a comforting beverage that combines turmeric with milk, dairy or plant-based, black pepper, and sometimes other spices like cinnamon or ginger. 3. Supplements. Curcumin supplements are available for those who prefer a more concentrated form, often combined with piperine, black pepper extract, to enhance absorption. While turmeric is generally safe, it's essential to consider some precautions. 1. Dosage. High doses or long-term use of turmeric may cause gastrointestinal problems. 2. Interactions. It can interact with certain medications, including blood thinners and diabetes drugs. 3. Pregnancy. Pregnant women should consult a healthcare provider before starting any new supplementation. The myriad of benefits offered by turmeric makes it a valuable addition to a healthy lifestyle. Whether you're looking to manage pain, boost your immune system, or simply maintain good health as you age, turmeric's natural properties make it an excellent choice. If you've been inspired by these stories and want to start incorporating turmeric into your daily routine, begin by adding a small amount to your meals or trying a turmeric supplement. Remember, the key to reaping turmeric's benefits is consistency. So start your journey today and unlock the potential health benefits of this incredible golden spice. Thank you for watching. If you found this information helpful, please like, subscribe, and share this video to help spread the word about the benefits of turmeric. If you have your own experiences with turmeric, please share them in the comments below. We love hearing from you.